a pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Cruze LS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable auto transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.